Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I am going to do question 25 from the August 2024 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Basically, it's just they've given us a function. They want us to graph it. It's a quadratic. It's going to be I call it a smile because the leading coefficient is positive. Positive people smile, negative people frown. So this is going to be a positive quadratic. And we need to find the coordinates of the minimum or the vertex. So the easiest way to do this, and basically what I've been saying is anytime they give you a function, you should graph it. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to use a spreadsheet. Let me do menu 263 to put some lines on here so we can see everything. Okay, and then I'm just going to put in the function. So this is x squared. Um, I was disappointed that so many students didn't get points on this. And it's to me, when students tell me they want to pass the exam, but they don't take the time to do questions like this, it makes me seriously doubt if they really want to pass. So, because this is nothing more than just taking this graph and then plotting some points. Now, here's kind of the best way to do this, because what you want to do is you want to try to get as many of the points around the minimum as possible. Let's find the minimum. So I'm going to do menu 6. And this one, since it has a minimum, we're going to do 62. Go to the left, pull it until you see the word minimum, and that is it. So now I'm just going to go to my iPad, and I'm just going to plot a -2, -3. And let's do this, doesn't matter the color. Let's do red. So we're going to start here, go over 2 to the left, and then down 3. So 2 to the left, 1, 2, 3. Here's my point. Now, as soon as I know that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a table from here. I'm going to go Control T for table. And this is fine, but what I like to do now, since I know I just do Control 6, and this gives me the table, I am going to go, I know that the minimum has an x coordinate of a -2, so I'm going to go a little bit. Actually, I want to kind of keep -2 in the middle. Okay, so one more. All right, so -2 is in the middle. So any of these points, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, I'm just going to plot them. So I got a -4, 1. So let me get my, let's do this because I want you guys to see. This is all we're doing. Um, we got a -2, 3. We've already got that. We've got a -4, 1. So I'm going to go over 4 to the left, up 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. And then my next point is a -3, 2. So I'm going to go 3 to the left and then down 2 right there. And now, because I know that this is the vertex, I can use symmetry to get the other points. In fact, I'm going to do it with black. I know there's going to be a point here. I like it a little better. I know there's going to be a point here. Boom. Now, let's get a couple more. Since it's a pretty, I mean, 5 is what you need, but um, if you get more than 5, that's better, but you got to give at least a minimum of 5 points, plot them. Okay, so here, gonna go up -5, 6. So if I go over to 5 and up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a point. And then I can come over here for symmetry. Now that's more than enough. All I have to do now is just draw the best quadratic I can, put some arrows on it. That's going to be 1 point. Okay. As soon as I've done this, that's 1 point. What I would do if I'm really doing this, it would be nice to go ahead and put the coordinates here so that they clearly see that you know what you're doing. -5, 6, -4, 1, -3, -2, -2, 3. We could do it. This will be a -1, -2. This will be, what is that? 0, 1. This is 2, 6. So I've listed all those points. This is clean. Like when they see that you've taken time to not only plot the points, but to put the coordinates, that's a winning combination. All right, so now we also know what the minimum is. That was the very first point we got. So you just put that here, and that would be +1. So there's no reason why my students shouldn't be getting 2 points on these questions. And there were some students that didn't get anything on this, and I don't understand it. So that's it. That's all you're doing. So let me stop this and post.